Yeah, good afternoon kabisa. Yeah, this is DM Flick katika Entertainment Joint. Leo tunaguzia kitu ambacho hatujaguzia kwa muda mrefu sana. Tangu mazishi ya mwenda zake Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga.
If you die, there's nothing to fear. Why? Because you either go to heaven or to hell. If you go to heaven, there's nothing to worry about. You'll be okay. Even if you go to hell, there's nothing to worry about. You'll find so many of your friends. So for a long time just greeting them, how are you? Before your time for the fire comes. So therefore, don't fear. You have nothing to fear as Kenyans. We will succeed in the long run.
Ni kwamba kuna wasanii ambao walijitosa katika studio na kuproduce muziki ya kumwenzi the late Prime Minister. Sasa kuna list ambayo sisi tumeweza kutengeneza ya wasanii ambao walifanya muziki ya kumwenzi the late Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga, na mimi ningependa kusikia kwako, which was the best music that you heard from our artist and artists that did these songs from outside Kenya. We had Bahati, we had Rayvanny, we had Hawiko, we had Daddy Mali, Damian Dickens, we had Dogo Charlie, Elisha Toto, Prince Inda, Kasolo, King Kaka, Lysa Classic, Melodic Harmony, Musa Jakadala, Oga Obina, Harmonize, Christina Shusho na pia Vini Flavor. Hebu tuambie ni msanii mgani sana ambaye alikuguza na tribute yake kwa baba Raila Amolo Odinga in our comments kabisa.
Papa Faraje Kisumu Kakamega Stage Kondele Big Bass.
Kenya still in trouble if we go to elections. We might want what Africa ala ukabila Kenya, ala ufisadi Kenya, ala ubaguzi Kenya, ala uchochezi Kenya, patriotist man of this country.